I was very excited and went there every week I could.
There are many activities we can do.
I'm proudest of the scribble board that I made.
I really enjoy making 3D sculptures.
I can bring out my creativities when I tinker and make and create at PGVP.
Create at PGVP provides a learning space and opportunities for students to design and collaborate with each other, demonstrating curiosity and passion when they tinker and make using critical, adaptive, and inventive thinking skills.
During P3, I wasn't that interested in makerspace, but then when my friend Hero encouraged me to go, I saw that I could use my imagination to build different things. I became more curious, and now I also want to do more experiments.
I saw somebody's train, and then I was thinking, I want to modify it so it will be easier to build, and it's much better on holding on to the tracks.
Our Create at PGVP room is located at level 1 and is situated in between the canteen and the parade square. This location is chosen so that it's more accessible to students during recesses. They actually queue up at the start of the recess just to try their hands on the 3D pens.
My favorite activity is the scribble board because it is the first robot I've ever made. The scribble board scribbles on paper and there are many lines it can make, and sometimes those things didn't work. I kept on trying to make whatever I needed to make, and I succeeded in doing so.
The Maker Education approach is integrated into our school eco-stewardship program, where we encourage donation of recyclable materials and students use them for prototypes.
Students initiate their own project, they collaborate with each other to form a huge 3D garden. Teachers are generally very happy when they see students having their own self-directed making experiences.
One of the tricky problems that I had to solve was attaching the markers to the scribble board. It was hard because I had to make sure the markers was all the same level and then take them before they fell off. I learned that next time I have to use more markers so that my board can be stable.
There are teachers to help you if you're in need, and there are also tutorials to inspire you to create more things. The final product is still standing in the makerspace. It's my favorite project.